We install Tabby Terminal v1.0.233 on Ubuntu, 3 methods, under 10 minutes. This works on Ubuntu 22.04 and 24.04 LTS on x164 hardware with a regular user account that has sudo access. One quick note before we start, there are 2 unrelated projects called Tabby. We are installing the terminal emulator from Eugenie on GitHub, not TabbyML, the AI coding assistant. Prerequisites. 4 things. 1. Ubuntu 22.04 LTS or newer. Check with LSB release AA. 2. Sudo privileges on your user account. Verify with sudo vb. 3. Curl installed, which ships by default, but you can confirm with curl version. 4. An internet connection and roughly 400 megabytes of free disk space, because Tabby is an Electron application and is not lightweight. The maintainers themselves say so in the README. With those in place, here is step 1. Before commands, a 30-second disambiguation. If you searched for install Tabby on Ubuntu, you may have meant TabbyML, the self-hosted AI coding assistant that runs in Docker. That is a different project at github.com on TabbyML sans Tabby. The Tabby we are installing today is the terminal emulator at github.com, Eugenie just Tabby, formerly known as Terminus, with about 71,000 GitHub stars. If you wanted the AI tool, this is not your tutorial. Step 1. Method A. Install via the official Package Cloud apt repository. This is the recommended path because it gives you automatic updates through apt. Run this command exactly as shown. Curl https packagecloud.io install repositories Eugenie onx tabby augur script.dbs dagger sudo bash. That script adds the Package Cloud repository to your apt sources and imports the signing key. Success looks like the message. The repository is set up. You can now install packages. The most common gotcha here, if curl is missing, you get a command not found. Error. Fix it with sudo apt install curl, and rerun. Step 2. Install the Tabby package itself. Run sudo apt install Tabby terminal yike. apt will pull the latest stable build, at the time of recording version 1.0.233, released May 7, 2025. The download is roughly 100 megabytes, the installed size around 400 megabytes. Success looks like a normal app summary ending with setting up Tabby terminal and your shell prompt returning. The common gotcha, if apt reports unable to locate package Tabby terminal, the repository was not added. Rerun the curl command from step 1. The package name is Tabby terminal, not Tabby. Step 3. The fallback method, direct.deb install from GitHub releases. Use this if Package Cloud fails or if you want to pin a specific version. Run or get https github.com Eugenie Tabby releases downloads v1.0.233 Tabby 1.0 233 Linux x64.debi. Then install with sudo dpkg tabby 1.0.233 Linux x64.debi. If dpkg complains about missing dependencies, fix them with sudo apt finstall y. Success looks like setting up Tabby terminal 1.0.233, followed by your prompt returning clean. The common gotcha, if you are on ARM hardware like a Raspberry Pi, the x64.deb will not install. Grab the Linux ARM64.deb asset from the same release page instead. A third optional path, the AppImage. If you do not want to install system-wide, download Tabby 1.0.233 Linux x64 AppImage from the same GitHub release page. Make it executable with chmod +6 Tabby 1.0.233 Linux x64 and AppImage. Then run it directly with mui-has Tabby 1.0.233 Linux x64 AppImage. No root required, no apt entry, no system integration, useful for testing or for lockdown machines. The trade-off is no automatic updates. You replace the file manually each time a new release ships. Verification. Open a fresh terminal and type Tabby. The Tabby window should appear within 3 to 8 seconds, a dark theme by default with a welcome tab open, and the version 1.0.233 visible under the Settings menu in the About section. Alternatively, open the Ubuntu Activities overview, click Show Applications, and look for the Tabby icon. Launching it from there should produce the same window. To confirm the package version from the command line, run apt show Tabby terminals, grep version. You should see version 1.1 printed. If you saw that output, you're set. A 60-second tour of what you just installed. Tabby ships with an integrated SSH and SFTP client. Version 1.0.233 added a dedicated hotkey to open the SFTP panel and a refresh button inside it. There is a serial terminal for embedded work, split panes, persistent tabs, configurable shortcuts, and full Unicode including double-width characters. Plugins installed directly from settings, title control, quick CMDs, SSAcorn keymap, and an MCP server plugin if you want AI assistant integration with Cursor or Windsurf. Themes and color schemes live under Settings, Appearance. Zmodem file transfer works out of the box for older serial workflows. Common errors, 3 of them with the fix for each. 1. Unable to locate package Tabby Terminal after running apt install. This means the package cloud repository was not added. Rerun the curl install script from step 1, then sudo apt update, then retry. 2. DPKG. Dependency problems prevent configuration of Tabby Terminal when using the direct.deb method. Fix it with one command, sudo apt-a finstall wise. That resolves the missing dependencies and completes the install. 3. Tabby launches, but the window is blank or flickers on Wayland. The fix is to start it with Tabby, disable GPU once, or to switch to an X11 session at the login screen. The v1.0.230 release fixed several X11 forwarding issues, so make sure you are on 1.0.e33. With that, the install is done. Tabby is on your system, configured, and ready for your first SSH connection.